Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezeleke ebhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ungaphuthi izindaba ongathi njengamanje ngakucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana sekuvele-ke isizathu-ke laphana-ke esiqhathe-ke i-MK-ke laphana-ke njengoba-ke sekukhona-ke abahlukene phakathi-ke abanganeme-ke ngezinqumo-ke ezithathwe ngabaphathi-ke laphana-ke. Jacob Zuma-ke uphawulile-ke ngaleso sigameko-ke laphana-ke ngenkathi-ke benze i-media briefing. Bekhona abantu bebetoyitoya-ke ngaphandle-ke laphana-ke bebhale-ke amabhodi nje bebhale okuthusayo. Jacob Zuma uphawule wathi-ke ngalokho uyababona la bantu and asikho isidingo sokuthi-ke benze lento abayenzayo nanokuthi-ke sebeyivezile ukuthi-ke bebeze ngani-ke la ku-MK-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuchaza okuningi kakhulu, phela nje sizodlala-ke ividiyo yasesike la veza khona okuningi ukuthi-ke yini eyenza ukuthi-ke kuxatshwane kanje. Mina ngicela lapha masizwile-ke le video longena ma-comment section-ke futhi ushiye uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo lelo daba-ke lolu-ke bese uyangixhasa-ke cindezeleke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khona sithole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha engizoyifaka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
I've got a list of izikhalazo zabantu abakwi-MK of what they're not happy with regarding people being given positions. I am gonna post a YouTube video in the next 30 minutes, and also because I want to post the response of President Zuma towards abantu bastrike, because he has answered as well. So I want to post his response, but I think I'm gonna post a YouTube video in the next 30 minutes. But these are the complaints of the MK members. So firstly, they are complaining for the hostile takeover of the MK party. The parachuting of leaders from other parties, the neglect of MK party members, the marginalization of intention to force out MK leaders, the imposition of hostile organization culture characterized by money politics, nepotism, fraud, and corruption. MK party being privatized by only selfish interest being reserved. Leadership and influence being reserved for those with money and connections. Founding members and members being systematically and brutally forced out of the organization. That President Zuma failed to stop the wrong happening in the organization despite repeatedly told to detriment of loving and dedicated members. And President Zuma answered, what ubana every single person with MK they are new. Man, so select background quick. So President Zuma answered what every single person ku MK is new. So akekho umuntu one-right yokuthi kuthathwe abantu abatsha bafakwa ku-position. Uthi bonke batsha, uthi nonke nibatsha apha anikagqibi nonyaka xa ninonke. So nawe umtsha noxa nje ucinga bafana ba umdala ngoba wena bufike ngo-December. And uthi there's a reason why abantu bethatha befakwe ezikhundleni, because they've got something to offer. And as your advocate Mkhwebane has not even led a branch, God, you lead a province. And someone just said on Twitter, now if you go to husband, because I'll go to an eye, bread, so I'm gonna drop a YouTube video in the next 30 minutes because as in Dabas shushu, and unfortunately they can't, and because it's fit I go TikTok. So a video is coming. I need to change this dress. So watch out. Kushushu ziyakhala ziyabila kushushu.